Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into your T-Mobile router and how you can access your Wi-Fi network settings step by step. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that your phone or your laptop or your computer is connected to the T-Mobile Wi-Fi network either wirelessly or with an Ethernet cable. So if your device is not connected to the router, the login page may not open correctly. So when this particular step is done, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for this particular IP address, which is 192.168.12.1. And when you simply look for it, you just have to hit enter. Now, as soon as you hit enter, you will be redirected on the login page of T-Mobile router. So inside it, you just have to simply provide your login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account, its interface is going to look something like this. By default, it will be on the home page, but then you can also access the information, the SMS, and even the settings. So when you access the settings, you can do a bunch of different things, like you can change the Wi-Fi network name and the password, and you can even manage the connected devices. You can enable guest Wi-Fi, adjust the parental controls, and even configure security settings depending on your router's model. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.